Hi, I'm Charlie from Charnwood, and this is the SS18F 18-inch scroll saw. It is perfect for hobby craft model making and is fitted with a powerful 120-watt smooth running motor, allowing for electronic variable speed control from both machine mounted and foot pedal switches. The SS18F scroll saw can cut up to a depth of 50mm in various materials, and its 456mm throat allows diverse shapes to be worked. There is an adjustable height foot clamp to hold the workpiece down against the table and prevent chattering. An air blower keeps dust away from the pencil lines to ensure they remain visible when following a template. The transparent guard keeps the operator safe from contact with the moving parts. The addition of the foot pedal switch will transform the way you work with the saw, allowing speed from 0 to 1550 strokes per minute to be controlled by the foot pedal. Once you've tried it, you will never want to be without it. The ability to stop and start without removing hands from the workpiece allows you to work quicker and more accurately, especially with complex designs. Unlike other tilting table scroll saws, the table on the SS18F is fixed horizontally. The yoke and blade can then be tilted right or left, allowing 45-degree angles to be cut, but with your workpiece staying horizontal. There are two types of scroll saw blades available: pin end and plain end. The SS18F can use either type. Pin-ended blades are easier and quicker to install. They simply hook over the blade hanger. Plain-ended blades can be made thinner and therefore more often used for very fine or intricate cutting. They are secured with the inbuilt clamps on the saw arm blade hangers. On the side of the saw is a storage compartment to keep spare blades and surface tools safe and ready for use. To start a cut in the center of a board, you simply slacken off the tension knob and lift up the head. Place your board over the blade, then simply fit the blade back on the holder and retension.